We'll guide you through how to create lower thirds in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. Once you're there, look at the top left corner and click on the Effects library. This will open up a panel on the left side of your screen. You want to scroll down and find the Titles section. Click on it and you'll see a list of different title options. Now, look for the lower third title option. Or if you're feeling creative, you can start with a text or text plus title template. Drag and drop your chosen title onto the timeline where you want the lower third to appear. Once you've placed it on the timeline, click on the title clip to select it, and then go over to the Inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can customize the text, font, size, and position. You can also add animations to make your lower third more dynamic. If you're using a text plus template, you have even more control over the design by using the Fusion page. Spend some time here to adjust elements like colors and shadows to match your video's theme. Remember, lower thirds are meant to be informative but not overwhelming. Keep them simple and legible. Once you're happy with the design, play back your video to ensure everything looks right. And there you have it, a customized lower third in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.